Hello students, welcome to the next video series of the unit word processing for class 10th IT subject code 402. So in today's video we are going to discuss about the topic text wrapping, which is very much important. So it is suppose you want the text to fit to the picture. Okay, suppose you are having some lines of text and you are also having a picture and you want to fit your picture inside the text, then what you should do. Okay, so there may be many arrangements that you want to be with your text and your picture. That suppose you want to make text above the picture or below the picture, or suppose you want your text to be along one side of your picture, or you want your text messages to be splitted so that your image should be in between the text. So there may be so many arrangement when you are using text and pictures simultaneously. Okay, so we are going to discuss that what are the different options which we are having when we want to fit our picture in text. Okay, so let us discuss what are those options. So first option is inline with text, which is the default setting where the image is a part of the line of text on which it is inserted. Second option of text wrapping is square, where the text flows around the image. Third option is tight or through. Both are almost similar. In tight option, the margin is somehow lesser than the through option. So here the text wraps around image regardless of what shape the image is. Okay, and this text wrap works best when we don't have any background of our image. Then another option is top and bottom, where text appears at the top and the bottom of the image. Next, behind the text, the image appears behind the text. Okay, just like a background image. And the last one is in front of text. So it will do what? The image will appear obstacles the text that it is in front of it. Okay, so these are the following options for text wrapping. Now in this video we will discuss how to insert image in our Word document and how to wrap it with text. Okay, so let us start doing it practically. Open a Word page, Microsoft Word we have already opened. Let us have some lines of text. Okay, so suppose we are having few lines of text in our Word document, and what we will do, we will insert one image and we will then perform what are the different wrapping options. Okay, so here we are having some lines of code and we will add one image. So I have placed my cursor here. Okay, and how to insert any image? To insert any image, we have to choose the option insert. From there we have to choose picture, and from there you can choose any picture of your choice. Okay, and you may also insert some of the clip art. Some of the clip art means they are the pre-stored images. Okay, so suppose I am taking this picture. So this picture has been inserted in our Word document. You can see the picture has been inserted, and this is the meaning of inline with text. Okay, what you are getting now is this one. So how to choose text wrapping option. How to get text wrapping option? We can have text wrapping option from two different ways. Either you double click to the image, okay, you will have here text wrapping option. Okay, you have to see bete that tab is format tab, name of the group is arrange group, and name of the option is text wrapping. Okay, once again, the tab which we have taken from the ribbon is format, then name of the group is arrange, and the option we have to choose is text wrapping. Under text wrapping we will have so many options. So you can see here we are having inline with text, square, tight, behind text, in front of text, top and bottom, through. So these are some of the options. So by default the option is inline with text. Okay, this option is the default option. Okay, so let us try another options how our layout will be changed. So let us choose this square option. What will happen? Let us see. Now you can see when we are choosing the square option, the text flows around the image. Now the text flows around the image. Okay, if we will go for the next option, tight. Okay, now the margin has been decreased. Okay, अगर आपने ध्यान से देखा होगा, as soon as I choose the option tight, the margin has been decreased by some points. Okay, behind the text, let us check. Now see here, the image is being used as your background image. Okay, now we may have in front of text. Now the image has come in front and the text gone to the background. Okay, then top and bottom, here the image is at the top and the text has been moved to the bottom. This is the arrangement of top and bottom. And then through means suppose let me click here. Okay, and then you can move your image in between. Okay, so this can be done by choosing the option through. So here you can see that our image comes in between the text. Okay, so this means the option which we have chosen is through. So while you want to fit your image with your text, any of the text wrapping option can be taken. So the things which you have to remember is under format tab, under the group arrange tab, you have to choose the text wrapping option, and number of text wrapping options are given. As per your choice, you have to choose the options. Okay, so here we can insert picture also, clip art also, shapes also, smart art also, chart also. Okay, so the thing is that again you have to remember name of the group from where we can insert picture, clip art, shapes, smart art, chart. Okay, so under which group they are available? Name of the group is illustrations. Okay, so let us conclude the video. What we have discussed, we have discussed that to insert any image from clip art or from our system, we have to go to the insert tab, and under group illustrations we can have our different pictures. Okay, and for wrapping we have to go to format tab, and under group arrange we are having option text wrapping to wrap our text and picture together. Okay, so I hope this much will be clear to all of you. So Thank you for watching बेटे.